Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a variable product in WooCommerce. Now before we start, as usual, I'm gonna notify you that in order to accomplish this task, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription in WordPress in order to get all the features required for this task. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions you'll be able to add a variable product in WooCommerce successfully. Now let's get started by following these few steps together. The first step is to create attributes, and to do that you're gonna have to go to wordpress.com after the website appears, and enter your account credentials and login. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard like here. After that, go to WooCommerce right here. Now, if you pay for the subscription, you'll be able to start a new store. You're just gonna have to fill in this information and in the end pay for the subscription. Now, once you do that, you're gonna go to WooCommerce here again and go to attributes and then add attributes like size or color and configure terms, example, small, medium or large. The second step is to set up a variable product. Create a new product or edit an existing one and change the product data type to a variable product. After that, add attributes and enable used for variations. Now for the third and final step, you're gonna have to create variations. And to do that, you're gonna go to Variation tab and click on Add Variation. Or you're gonna do all this in the WooCommerce options and configure pricing, stock, and images for each variation. And that's it. That's how you add a variable product in WooCommerce. It's very easy and very simple. Now, if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to leave comments if you have furthermore questions about this topic below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.